redline it, baby. Today I have another one. This is a 2015 Ninja 300. You can tell by the little fins right there. That's how I could tell. So we're gonna start putting this together. It's kind of beat up, but got it for a good deal, so I'm gonna do what I do. This side doesn't look as bad, but it is super dirty. Good. So I'm just gonna get straight to work on it. Got cobwebs. Here it is, right here, all washed up. Let's start it up. Only has 3,800 miles on it, 3,866. I think I'll go ahead and put some new fairings on it. Oil change. We'll check out the brakes. The chain kind of looks like it's rusted out a little bit, but we'll go over it and see how it is and what it needs, and we'll take care of it. I don't know what exhaust that is, but it needs to be changed. Notice it was all loose. Take care of that. Looks like the bar end is loose. Got a little crack right there. Other than that, it's decent. Seems like somebody kept dropping it on the right side because the left side over here is pretty clean. No cracks on the fairings. Let's take it for a quick ride and see if all of these gears work. I tested it out earlier, but let's get it up to a decent speed this time. Feels like the R3 kind of. It does have a slipper clutch. This thing's quiet when it slows down. Brakes are really decent on here. I don't know if they're worn or not, but they feel really good. Really good stopping power. This thing is fun, just like all the other 2 cylinders. Mad fun. Let's redline it, baby. Impressive. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned as we
work on this Ninja 300.